how to factory reset the Electrolux dryer in 2026. So first of all, you need to turn the power off and unplug it from the outlet or switch off the breaker. Now you need to leave it as it is for at least 5 to 10 minutes, and this is going to clear the faults in the electronic control system. Afterwards, simply plug the dryer back in and power it on. So here on top of it, you are going to see the start and the pause button. So you need to simply press and hold the start and the pause button and the cancel buttons together for about 5 to 10 seconds. And this is going to force a control panel reboot and exists any locked or frozen cycle. You can also turn the dryer off and then press and hold the select plus cancel while turning it back on. Keep holding until the display changes. This is going to open the diagnostic mode where stored errors can be reset. So that's how you can reset it. Thanks for watching.